Imagine you've been diligently saving for your dream vacation, your child's college fund, or perhaps your retirement. You've invested your hard-earned money in stash, hoping for a bright financial future. But then, life happens. Maybe you need the money sooner than expected, or perhaps you're simply unsure about stash's performance. The question arises, can you withdraw your money from stash? Understanding stash. Before we dive into the withdrawal process, let's quickly recap what stash is. Stash is an investment platform that offers a simple and affordable way to start investing. It's designed with beginners in mind, providing fractional shares of stocks and ETFs. Stash also offers various investment portfolios tailored to different financial goals. Can you withdraw your money? The short answer is yes, you can withdraw your money from stash. However, there are a few things you need to know. Withdrawal fees. Stash doesn't charge any withdrawal fees. This is a significant advantage compared to some other investment platforms. Minimum withdrawal amount. There might be a minimum withdrawal amount. This varies depending on your account type and the specific investments you hold. Settlement time. Once you initiate a withdrawal, it typically takes a few business days for the funds to settle in your bank account. This is a standard procedure in the financial industry. How to withdraw your money. The withdrawal process is straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your stash account. Access your account using your login credentials. Navigate to the withdrawal section. Look for the option to withdraw funds or cash out. It's usually located in the main menu or your account settings. Enter withdrawal amount. Specify the amount you want to withdraw. Ensure it complies with any minimum withdrawal requirements. Select your bank account. Choose the bank account where you want the funds to be transferred. Confirm withdrawal. Review the details and confirm your withdrawal request. Important considerations. While withdrawing your money from stash is generally a hassle-free process, there are a few factors to consider. Tax implications. Depending on your investment strategy and the type of investments you hold, there may be tax implications associated with withdrawing your money. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor to understand the tax consequences. Potential investment gains or losses. If you've held your investments for a significant period, you may have realized gains or losses. These gains or losses will be subject to taxes. Early withdrawal penalties. For certain types of investments, such as retirement accounts, there may be early withdrawal penalties. These penalties can be substantial, so it's crucial to be aware of them before making any decisions. Alternatives to withdrawal. If you're considering withdrawing your money from stash but aren't sure it's the right decision, here are some alternatives you might want to explore. Rebalancing your portfolio. Instead of withdrawing funds, you could rebalance your portfolio to align with your current financial goals. This involves selling certain investments and buying others to maintain your desired asset allocation. Adjusting your contribution rate. If you're contributing to a retirement account through stash, you could reduce your contribution rate temporarily. This will allow you to keep your investments growing while still having access to some of your funds. Exploring other investment options. If you're unhappy with stash's performance or fees, you could consider transferring your investments to another platform. However, be mindful of any transfer fees or potential tax implications. Withdrawing your money from stash is a viable option if you need to access your funds. However, it's important to carefully consider the potential tax implications, early withdrawal penalties, and the impact on your overall financial goals. By understanding the withdrawal process and exploring alternative options, you can make an informed decision that best suits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.